So, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Izzah Arif, and I am currently doing my electrical engineering from NUST, National University of Sciences and Technology in Islamabad. I've basically completed my 2 years. I recently got done with my finals of my fourth semester, so I'm half an engineer right now. So my main goal to be on this platform is to make learning interactive. So we think that interactive lessons are only important for students of second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, and the O level and A level students don't need some interactive lessons. So that is wrong. When I was in my O and A levels, I basically struggled with my studies. We had books which only had text, no colors, which made learning a bit boring. It was very difficult for me to study that time. But I did study. I had to study, and then I had to get admission in the university. So I had to study and pass the admission exams as well. But my main goal here is to teach, but teach in an interactive way, in a way in which students are interested in learning new things, not only preparing for the exams, but learning, not rote learning conceptually. So yeah, that's it. So we'll start our lessons first of all with mathematics, and I've uploaded the slides. I hope you can see that. So we're gonna start about different types of numbers.